read a couple questions, and I want you guys to just think about the answers that come to your heart. Allow your heart to open up. Feel the energy of the earth and everyone rooting you on. Like, even sometimes when we feel alone, there is so much rooting you on. We've got this amazing earth energy just wanting to support you. The earth, everything that was created with divine intelligence. And it's through this illusion of society that makes us feel weak, but we were born with everything that we need to rise and to feel fulfilled. So with this, it's gonna take you some time, so you don't have to do it here. You'll take this home with you if you want to transform your life. These were the questions she had that were so powerful and profound. Say you're gonna write down that you wanna be more compassionate or more loving. When you make your final draft, you're gonna put, I am loving, I am compassionate, I am whole, I am fulfilled, I am healthy, wealthy, whatever it is you are, you're gonna write this after you answer your questions. And that will help transform your life, because every morning you're gonna wake up and you're gonna read these affirmations to yourself that are custom designed for you, and everything's gonna start becoming effortless, and things are gonna start magnetizing to you because you're no longer chasing. You're gonna realize that you're already that version, and you're gonna start becoming that version by speaking it into existence. Number 1, how does my 2.0 self see the world and their place in it? So our 1.0 self is obviously us right now in this moment, not thinking about anything. But now, if you were your 2.0 self and you had everything you wanted in the world right now, how would that person be showing up? How would that person love themselves and be, how conscious would you be of what you were doing on a day-to-day basis? Say something that you want to become, and you're going to claim that in this moment.
So for me, I think my 2.0 self would be confident and, fearless.
My 2.0 self would be looking for opportunities in the world instead of obstacles, and he would show up for himself every day, not just the people in his life that he's taking care of, because, my 2.0 self is going to take care of myself too.
Thank you.
My 2.0 self would probably let go of all of my past regrets or the weight of the heaviness that I carry, and just live and let be constantly. Be more present.
Seeking less external validation and finding confidence.
For me, it's advocate, that I get so frustrated about what I see in the world, but then I'm not doing anything with it, saying like, no, I have to get out of my comfort zone. If that means, yes, maybe I have to do a treadmill run in the morning instead of running after work, so that way I can attend, be present in a committee meeting or doing something to make my community better. If you want to see change, you have to put yourself out there. You can't wait for somebody else to do it.
Exactly. Well said.
Yeah.
I think my 2.0 self would feel whole and worthy.
I love that.
I love that too.
Beautiful.
My 2.0 self would probably hopefully feel more confident and successful and, like you said, financially stable.
Yes. Wonderful. Yeah, thank you for sharing.
Thank you guys all for sharing. Those are awesome answers, and I know a lot of us can relate to each one of us here.
Yeah, for sure.
This will be kind of a framework if you're ever feeling lost and just really want change. The thing is you don't necessarily have to know how you're going to get there. You just have to see the end and claim it and assume it. That's how the law of the universe works. I had recently transitioned jobs, and I didn't really have anything going on, and I said, well, what makes sense for me? We never really ask, what do we like to do? What do we love but that can serve others? So just think about your skill sets, your value. Like, you are needed in this world, and you can find a way to make money doing exactly what you love. The limiting beliefs that we have is you have to work hard and you have to just 9 to 5. That's not true. Claim your power back. You are no different than anyone else that can make things happen.